First I gotta find the style, make sure I'm at least going in the right direction. I took off. I ran, and I ran. Sure enough, after 3 weeks, there was a little house down in the valley. Quick as a flash, they pulled me in. A safe house on the Underground Railroad. They said, now, from here on in, this is how you can tell if it's a safe house. You look for a broom. If there's a broom by the door, that means it's a safe house. This is okay. Now, also, on the bush next to the house, or on the banister on the porch, you might see a quilt. And that quilt's got all kinds of designs in it. It's got stars and arrows and birds. But if it's got an arrow with a wheel, that means this is a safe house. But you keep going in that direction, the direction of the arrow. Got that? I said, I got that. From here on in, when you knock on the door, you say, a friend of a friend. Inside, they're going to answer, a friend of a friend indeed. So, well, Godspeed with you, Harriet. Just keep following the streams like you've been doing. That'll take you down through Odessa, from Dover through Odessa, down into Wilmington, into Chester, then into Philadelphia. Got that? So I got that. So Godspeed with you, Harriet. Oh, I took off. I ran, and I ran. The next house had a broom by the door, so I knew it was a safe house. I knocked on the door. A friend of a friend. Inside they answered, a friend of a friend indeed. I made it. On this side of the line, I was a slave woman. On this side of the line, I was a free woman. Then I looked around and I was free, but I was all alone in freedom land. Got myself together and walked to the next safe house that took me into Chester and into Philadelphia. After 3-4 months, they said, Harriet, you got that wandering look in your eye, Harriet. So I got to go back. I promised my brothers if I made it, I'll come back for them. And my mom and daddy back there. And a lot of other folks who want to be free. Now that I know the way, I can show them. I ain't free till they're free. I got to go. I got to go. I went back time and time again. I would give the signal. Anybody who wanted to go to freedom, let me know. I know I should have never come out here. I'm going to go back. I'm going to go on back. I'm going to turn back. I'll say, ain't going to be no turning back. I'm the conductor on this here Underground Railroad. You're my passengers. All these years, I never run my train off the track. I never lost a passenger, and you ain't going to be the first one. Now I'd rather kill you dead right here on the spot, knowing you died trying to get to freedom, than to let you go back there and die as a slave. Now who want to turn back? Who? Who was it? Let me know right now what's it going to be. Got everybody out.